Are you a firefighter tired of battling blazes that could have been prevented? Or perhaps you're a solar panel owner who's had enough of unexpected fires. According to recent reports, firefighters are tackling a solar panel blaze every 2 days, and it's not just a coincidence. The issue lies in the fact that many solar panel owners are neglecting to update their payment details, which can lead to a range of problems, including subscription termination. But here's where it gets controversial. While it's true that updating payment details is crucial to keeping your subscription active, it's not the only factor that can cause solar panel fires. And this is the part most people miss. In addition to payment issues, other factors such as improper installation, lack of maintenance, and faulty components can also contribute to solar panel fires. So, what can you do to protect your solar panel investment and prevent fires? The answer lies in taking proactive steps to ensure that your solar panel system is properly maintained and up to date. But will that be enough to stop the fires? We'll leave that up to you to decide. In the meantime, make sure to update your payment details via My Account, or by clicking Update Payment Details to keep your subscription. Your subscription is due to terminate, so act now to avoid any unexpected interruptions.